Well, this could be going better, really. I'm having to make cuts in here. I thought I had it laid out just so it would take everything, and that's why I did that like that. But then when I get to the finished product, I end up having to make some cuts. So that's one thing. And then I get up here to this corner, and this pole, this top one, this batten is running downhill a lot. So I've had to put it up where it needs to be to match the top one. And then I've cheated this other batten sort of in between there, and I'm hoping it's not going to be too visible to the eye. So I had to take the mud off, and now I'll put that mud back, the concrete or the mortar, whatever you want to call it, back on there, and carry on and see how many more cuts I'm going to have to make over here on this. It seems like once you go off one, you're off the other, and then it's getting close to where the joints overlapping almost. You know, it's not overlapping, but it's not center where I like it. So good times are had. A bit of mortar left here to go and get this last section here. Maybe I can get that other half, the other 1.5 on there in a second. Getting messy up here. And it'll wear off, I hope, at some point. Got 27 degrees in England. July 17th, no. Sunday was the 14th. Today's the 15th or the 16th. Hope I put the right day on the parking ticket. Talk to you later.